Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately. Secure the scene and call for help if bleeding or altered consciousness exists. Once safe, open the medkit and don gloves to protect both of you. Quickly scan for life threats, airway, breathing, circulation, and prioritize massive bleeding first. If heavy bleeding is present, apply direct pressure and consider a tourniquet proximal to the wound. Make sure to verbalize actions to the casualty. Staying calm helps you think clearly and keeps them reassured as you proceed. Once bleeding is controlled enough to see the injury, continue by cleaning the area to reduce infection risk. Use antiseptic wipes from the kit and wipe outward from the wound. Do not dig into deep cuts. If bleeding persists despite pressure, tighten a tourniquet and note the time applied. For moderate wounds, apply sterile dressing and secure with tape or a bandage. For punctures, leave small drains if necessary. Make sure to reassess circulation beyond dressings and adjust tightness as needed. You finish by stabilizing and monitoring. If a fracture is suspected, support and splint the limb using rigid material from the kit, padding pressure points. Once dressed and immobilized, stay with the casualty and check breathing, pulse, and mental status regularly. Document times of interventions like tourniquet placement. Make sure to keep the person warm and calm while awaiting transport. Troubleshooting tip. If circulation is lost beyond a dressing or numbness increases, carefully loosen band.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.